Back in the shop here. Got quite a bit done in the car since the last video. Let's see, I think where we left off I was still ripping wires out. Currently have the Haltech harness back in, completely in, mostly hooked up. I still have to do my T1 trigger and a couple other things. So we got the nice new harness in. Obviously still kind of looks like a mess. Got the coils in with the Speed Factory racing plate. I still have to get the distributor delete. We're painting up the battery tray. I removed every unnecessary wire out of this thing. And now I got a light around here. No lights. There's a light. We got our Haltech mounted on a little custom plate. The wideband controller just above it. I'm gonna zip tie my wires up and make them a little neater. Harness all tucked up in there. I gotta mount my fuse panel, which I gotta make a little custom bracket for, just like I made for the Haltech. Everything works. The dash lights up and everything. I just gotta put all my pieces back together. I'm in the middle of making a custom mounting bracket for the digital dash. We're gonna put that down in here, make it look as OEM as possible, considering I'm trying to retain some OEM look, which is why I still have all my lights and everything on my actual OEM controls. This all still works. There's no battery in the car, so we're getting there. Hopefully in the next day or so I can actually tell Jarvis that this thing's ready to tune and at least get a base map and maybe hear it run. I gotta figure out how to get more than just an open header on it, because my new header does not mate to my current exhaust, but we'll cover that sooner than later, along with everything else I got to do. But I got some grinding to do, so